Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for quick and easy financial guides. Today, I'll show you how to check your Hyperwallet balance. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your laptop. Go to the Hyperwallet website by typing hyperwallet.com into the address bar. Once logged in, your account dashboard will load. You will see the Hyperwallet balance displayed right on the main screen, usually at the top or center of the page. If you want to view more details about your balance, click on the Transactions or Details tab to see breakdown of your recent activity. When you are done, don't forget to log out by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Log Out for security. And that's it. Checking your Hyperwallet balance on laptop is quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.